it's you know, the first emotion that I want to be able to bring with that website specifically is legitness. You know, first class, legit. A couple of things that I have in there to make me feel a little bit more legit is to show the type of companies I have worked with, some of the brands I have worked with, just to kind of reflect that I do work with big corporate 100 companies, 500 companies. And then in return as well too on the website, because I'm a one-man shop. You know, I do everything for my company. You know, I don't have employees. And I think one of the other things that I do for the legitness is, you know, I do have an advisory board with Ben's on it. You know, some executives, people that, you know, are do very well in their organizations or their companies, executives.